Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to demonstrate you how we can pass data from parent component to its child component using input. Okay, so let's see. Here you can see that here it is the app module, this is the root module. Okay, and inside this is the app component, which is also we can see it as default component. And let me create one child component here. So I will use this command ngg for generate c for component and child is the component name. I will hit enter here and it will create it, and you can see there are 4 files that I created. In the child folder you will find 4 files, one css, one html, one for spec.ts for testing. Okay, and another one is .ts for typescript file, and there is one more file which is updated, which is app.module.ts. that means you can see here child component is registered inside the declarations, I mean inside the ng modules. Okay, and so that it's accessible, child component, sorry, child is accessible from parent component. Okay, so the first thing what I will do here, I will go to the child component .ts file. Okay, and here I will import input. Okay, so input is basically a decorator, so I will use here at input, and here the variable name which is suppose data, and actually not the variable name, this is a method name, sorry, not this one, this one is the method name, and this is data, and I will put here type any. Okay, so now input is, input decorator is defined here. Okay, and now I will access this data in the HTML page inside the child. So I will create one more HTML tag. Let me take it as h1. Okay, and inside this I will use interpolation to display the data. Okay, because it's the string value. Okay, and here I can simply use data and I will save it. Okay, I will save both the files. Okay, and now I will go to the root component, and here you can see I have variable here as title, another variable which is already here is disabled. Okay, so I will use this title to pass the data from this app component to its child component. Okay, so this is the HTML page of app component, and here I will access the child component app child. I will use it. Okay, and you can see this child is coming basically from here in the component.ts file. You will see the selector here, so this is the same selector I am using here, app child. Okay, and here I will use here I will use data to send it. Okay, because data is the input decorator what I have taken over there as a variable, and inside this I will take as a I will take title, or okay, just let me check what was the name. Yeah, it's the title, name is title. So I will try to access it as title. You can see it's coming, so it's basically property binding what I have followed here. Okay, so this is done. Now from here it will basically title will be picked from here from the ts file. So from the ts file Angular 14 will be picked from here and it will come here. Okay, and from this here it is the input decorator with the name of data, so it will send here in the data, and this data is basically being displayed here in its HTML file. Okay, and this this child.component.html, or you can say this component I am accessing with the help of this selector. Okay, with the help of this app uh, child selector, and that is added here in the app component.html file, which is the parent component. Okay, I will save it, and now I will run it. I will do npm start to run it, and now it's running. And let's go to the browser. Okay, and I will refresh it. Okay, and now you can see first one is coming child works. Okay, child works is coming, and second is coming Angular 14. So if you will go to this child component.html file, you will find here first it is having child works, second it is having data, okay, which I am accessing, which is basically which is basically getting passed from the parent component to the child component. So now let me pass this time this variable basically, which is disabled. So let me copy this, and I will put it here, is disabled. Okay, and I will save it, and now you can see it's compiled successfully. And now let's go here, and you can see it is coming as false. Okay, so like this we can send the data from app, or we can say parent component, to its child component. If I will do it as true, I will save it, and here you can see it's coming true here. Okay, so I hope you got some idea about sending the data from parent component to its child component in Angular with the help of input decorator. Okay, so that is all guys in this video. Okay, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.